Hello, there? Yes. No, I'm just coming from a meeting. Just going to the car. I'm about to drive out. How are you? Why are you crying? How is Mama? What?
NEPA people come they want cut light and no greet them all. This is what they do today. I know this one well done. Come back. You no even answer me. You no even respond to me. Okay, we say we full of life. We see if I greet them, you even dash me money. Now I just they heal them. They tell her what's happening for us today. You no even pay attention. Something is wrong somewhere. Since why don't they walk this walk? Morgan never. I've been with them. Okay, what can sir? They walk. No, something is wrong somewhere. It's not ordinary. Something is wrong somewhere.
Baby, tell me, what are you doing here? I mean, this is very much unlike you. You knew I'll be waiting for you in the bedroom, but no, you came back and then you sat down here. I was actually waiting till I would give you my natural... Babe. Baby, what is it? Babe, what is it? What is going on? Why are you like this? Babe, please talk to me. What is going on? Why are you like this? What is it? Baby.
Hello? Come to my house right now. Leave everything you're doing, just come to my house. I want to see you here in the next 10 minutes. Hello? Why does it sound so urgent?
Babe. Babe, what is going on now? I've been sitting here and I've been asking you what the problem is, but no, you've refused to talk to me. What is bothering you? Babe, see, I'm your wife. If there's anything that is going on with you, just let me know. Fine. What have I done? What have I done to you to deserve this silence from you? Why are you not saying anything? Why are you keeping me silent? I'm scared. What is it? Babe, please talk to me now. What is going on? Baby.
My mother is dead.
Jesus Christ. Your mother is... No? You're joking, right? I know you're not serious. Babe, wait. You mean to say that mom is dead? Like how? How did it happen? Where? When? No! I mean, just 2 days ago, the doctor told us that the surgery was successful, that she made it, and we're all happy. Babe, we're literally planning for her return. We said we're going to even go for a family Thanksgiving. What are you saying? How come? I don't understand. What happened? Baby, no, this is not true. Like, how?
What is it? You sounded so urgent. What is it?
Sit down.
Is it not till I sit down before you tell me what is going on?
Okay, sit down.
Okay, I'm sitting down. What is it? You crying? What is it?
You need to be a man. It's true, you are the last child of the family. But you're both 30 right now, so you should be a man. Whatever I tell you, take it like a man.
You're not saying anything. Talk to me. What is it?
Nana called me a while ago. She gave me the information. Hello, man.
What is it now?
Our mother is dead.
It's a lie. This is a joke, right? How can you even say such a thing with your own mouth? Please. This is very expensive. This is a joke. Stop it.
Alright, calm down. Put yourself together, alright? Sit down. Put yourself together.
No! No! Why do you have to leave me? I'm speechless. I don't know where to start. We had an agreement. We had plans. But now you are gone. Who is going to do it? Why do you have to leave? Like you do not know you have a son that loves you so much. Why? Oh God, oh God. Dad just left. And now you are gone. I'm not going to see you again my entire life. Oh my God. Oh my God. Who are you living me for? Who now? Who are you leaving me for? I'm shut down. I'm heartbroken.
She doesn't understand. You don't have to blame anybody for your failures. Stop.
Mama, don't tell me that. I blame Papa for everything that has happened to me. Don't tell me that. Papa shouldn't have given me cash. Shouldn't have given me cash and okay. Oh, he decided to give my older brother the family business, leaving me aside. Oh, because his first son, right?
Now listen, son. Your father trained you in school up to university level. He gave you 20 million naira cash to start any business of your choice. Gave you 3-story building in Awada, which you sold off and squandered the money. So, and you still blame him? How is it his fault?
Mama, look at the way you sound. 20 million. Is 20 million the big money? No, these days. You see that 20 million Papa gave to me was useless. Entirely useless. Mama, you know I do not have any knowledge of business. I do not have, and he knows that. He should have given me money, although I tried other businesses, but it failed. What do you want me to do? Get if joke and man.
Now tell me, how is that his fault? How is that his fault? Explain.
Mama, it is Father's fault. Like I told you earlier, he shouldn't have given me money. He's supposed to find a way to cue me into the family business. I don't have a problem, Brother David collecting the highest share. But at least I should have a minimum share in that business. We all know the business is doing well. Rather than giving me money if you go near, no.
Oh, where's there? Your father gave you what he feels and knows is best for you. Stop all this blame game. You blame this person, you blame. Why didn't all these ideas come up then? But that's by the way. You should be thinking of how to stand back on your feet.
That is what I'm trying to do.
It's not by blaming every Dick, Harry and Tom. You blame this person today. You blame your father, your father, your father, your father. What of people that their father gave next to nothing and yet they turned out to be something in life? In any case, you are and will always be my beloved son. I've made up my mind to help you stand back on your feet. Exactly. But you have to be very careful this time around. You have to relax.
Mama, now you're talking. You know, this is why I love you so much. This is why you're my beloved mother. You know where it pinches me. And you decided to do what? Go by it. Thank you so much, Mama. I really appreciate it. I will not fail you. Okay?
Please don't. Because you may never get such an opportunity again. You have to be very careful this time around. Try and be a man that you are. I would love to see you stand on your feet and do well like your elder brother. Exactly. Is it a promise?
Yes, it's a promise.
Okay, it's okay.
If I start now, they will say Chibueze have started. Is it not Brother David? I went to meet him to give me some money. At least, let me invest in the business I told you. Do you know what he did? He denied me that funds. Why? This is our family business now, and he is there enjoying my father's sweat. This is my father's company.
Stop it! Shut up! Now listen and listen carefully. David is not obliged to give you any money. That was why your father shared everything amongst all his children before his demise.
Mama, I'm only talking about 500,000. Only!
Just
for 500,000!
Look at you. Do you see how you're saying it? Source of 500,000 naira. It's so free in your mouth. You don't plug money from trees. Neither do you turn water into money. What do you want your? The earlier you drop this your entitlement mentality, the better for you. Let David and his family be. The business he is managing is his own business, not yours. That you squandered. What? Shut up and hear me out. I'm your mother, and I owe you nothing but the truth. The money David is squandering or using is not your father's money. Remember, that's his own share, and he is managing it fine. That you refused to manage yours and squandered everything. Don't hold anybody responsible.
Wait. Did I hear you say it is not my father's property?
Yes, it is
my father's business.
It is not.
That is a lie.
It is not.
Mama Isiga said, the money he is squandering with that his useless wife is my father's money. My father's company. So I have equal share in that company.
Stop shouting when I'm talking to you.
I'm sorry, Mama.
Stop shouting.
I'm sorry.
Did you get that? Look, Beze, you're my beloved son, you know that? I loved you so much. And all I owe you is to tell you the truth and nothing but the truth, my son. Did you get that? I'll keep saying it. Drop this your entitlement mentality. It will ruin your whole life if you don't. Start thinking of... Beze, I wish you would just understand. Now tell me, how much did you say you want?
Mama, it's 500,000 naira. 500,000 naira, Mama. Again. Hi.
Now listen, go to your sister and tell her to give it to you from the money I asked her to keep for me.
Tell Mama. Hi. If you go know, this is why you are my beloved mother. Mama, I am the happiest human on earth. I'm happy David is finally sending you to India. At least to have your transplants done. I am happy.
Let me have your hand. Beze.
Mama.
I'm leaving for India. I don't know how long I'll stay or when I'll be back. I don't even know whether I'll come back alive.
God forbid. Mama, why would you say something like that? See, Mama, you come. You will go and come back in peace. People travel abroad and do transplants. It's not like it's a big deal. They go there, they come back alive, and yours will not be different. Alright?
From your mouth
to God's ear.
Yes. Listen.
Mama.
Like I said, I don't know how long I'll be away. But I want to ask a favor of you. Please, no quarrels with your elder brother. No fights. Let there be peace, I beg of you. Oh. If you need any money, but you have to be careful. Things will not continue the way they are, please. So if you need any money, ask Ifoma, your elder sister. I have instructed her to give you money anytime you need it. This is to avoid quarrels. Please, no quarrels with anyone. Let there be peace. Anyone.
It's okay, Mama. I can't be. It's terrible.
It's okay.
Don't worry. There won't be any form of trouble. As far as Ifeoma is doing the needful, I don't have a problem. But please,
You don't.
promise me that you're coming back.
You said it now and God heard you. I pray I will. But don't attach that as long as Ifeoma does. You need to start managing yourself. Things may not continue the way they are. Come on, son. It's okay. Don't cry. Don't cry. It's okay. It's okay.
I've been looking for an answer and no one. Just one. Just one response. You promised me. You promised to open a business for me. You promised to make me whole. Who is going to do that right now? Who is going to fulfill your promises? You. Oh my God. Who is going to be like you to me? Who is going to fulfill all those promises? Who? God. Mama. How is his dad? Oh.
Okay. Mom is no longer here. But I'm here for you. Whatever promises she made to you, I promise I will fulfill all of them. All! You can't keep crying. You've cried enough.
Hey!
People, be strong.
And we made me fair. And we made me fair!
It's okay.
Hey!
It's okay. It's okay. You've cried enough. I'm here. Okay?
Yeah.
I am now the mother you have. Everything.
So after all the money that we spent in taking Mama to India, all the millions that we spent on her transplant, we still lost her. Baby Mama died. I mean, this is heartbreaking. This is a double loss for us.
Now I know that
At all. At all, Mommy cannot. But who are we? Who are we to blame God? We cannot blame Him. Neither can we ask Him questions. He is the giver of life. He has given and He has taken. There is no problem. So, baby, what is the next thing to do? Like, how do we plan? How do we go about our burial?
first I'll call for a family meeting at the family house. Whatever we decide in the meeting to determine our next line of action.
Yes. Yes. I mean, that is the best thing to do. So that everybody can put heads together. You've done so well, my husband. You've really done so well. I mean, you've done what every good son would do for his mother. If there is nobody that will give you your accolades, baby, I, your wife, Judy, we do that. If there is nobody that will tell you that you have done well, if there is nobody that will tell you that you were there for Mama during her trying times, I, your wife, Judy, will sing your praises and blow your trumpets. You did really, really well. You did well, my love. Please stop crying. It's okay. It's okay, baby. You did a very good one. It's okay, my love. It's okay. Stop crying. It's okay. I'm sure Mama will be happy wherever she is now. You're welcome, baby.
Father and mother had us 4. 2 boys and 2 girls. Our sister Nenya is in India. She lives there with the husband. So for now, this is the family. So any decision we take here stands. If we need to get Nenya's opinion, we call her on the phone and hear what she has to say. It's unfortunate. Our dear mother is gone. She passed away in a hospital in India. May God rest her soul. We cannot question God. We just have to accept it and move on as a family. The question now is, do we bring down her body and bury her here, or we bury her over there and do a befitting funeral for her down here?
What are you talking about? No, how can you even suggest we bury our own mother in abroad, in a foreign land? We are Igbos. We do not bury our own in a foreign land. Rather, we bring them here in our father's land.
Chibeze, you can't just be talking and talking and talking all the time. This is not a time to talk. It has to do with money, right? If the cost will be on the high side to bring our mother down here, then it doesn't make sense. There are more important things to do with money, right? If the cost will be favorable, fine. We'll bring her down here and bury. If it will be on the high side, we simply bury our mother over there and do it proper.
Lies! It's lies! See, please, I do not want to have a problem with you, Brother David. Because how can you even be talking about we burying our own mother? Our own mother in a foreign land? See, please, I really do not want to have problems with you. At any cost, we are going to bring our mother from India to this town, to our village, and bury her, and also give her a befitting burial. Don't say that, please.
Yes, man. Just not coily. See me coily.
I think what we should do now is find out the cost of bringing back Mama's corpse. That's the most important thing. Let's find out how much will it cost to bring her back to Nigeria. What argument, it's too early to do this now.
Exactly. Exactly my point.
Fine. I agree. Let's find out the cost first, then we'll take it from there.
No problem. Listen, we'll bury our own mother in a foreign land.
Mama is gone, you can see her again. No matter how long you fight, you can see Mama again. Mama is gone.
Hey. My dear. Welcome.
Thank you.
How are you? Oh, you look tired. So, baby, tell me, how did the meeting go?
Well, we've started, and we'll get to the end of it.
Okay.
Definitely. I told them without mincing words that if it's going to be on the high side, the cost bringing our mother back here to bury, that I will not be part of it. I told them. Not after all the money I spent for a transplant. I spent millions, you know.
Yes.
I told them, no, that's wasted money. It's best we bury her there, and then we do a proper fitting funeral for her down here. Exactly what I told them. The only time I'll consider what they're saying is if the cost is low. I don't think it should be.
Okay, so when you told them, what did they say?
Don't mind that stupid boy. That idiot. A boy that was given 20 million naira to invest in business, he squandered the money in 2 years. Huh? Same boy that sold his inheritance. 3-story building, he sold it, made some good millions, squandered the whole thing in 1 year. Same boy is coming out to tell me that our mother's body must be brought back at all costs. Imagine.
Ezioku, at all costs. Since he said at all costs, I hope you will be the one to bring the money.
Stupid boy.
Ojirego, he doesn't have money. He wants you to bring the body at all costs.
Anyway, Sister Ifoma said we should get the total cost first. Calculate everything. Know how much it's going to cost us to bring her down here. Then we'll know what next to do.
That is better now.
Exactly what I said.
Alright, there's no problem. Baby, I know you're so tired. Look at your face. So why not go upstairs and freshen up while I set the dining, because I know you want to eat something.
Alright, darling.
Alright. Welcome, baby.
Nene, I'm listening. I'm here.
Mama is gone. You can see her again.
Okay.
How long you fight, you can see Mama again.
Okay.
Mama is gone. You can see her again. No matter how long you fight, you can see Mama.
Okay, the 2 other options you gave, they are good though. But I would prefer we bring Mama back and bury her here. Just that the cost is too much. $20,000. Ha! That's too much money. Hey! Nene, you know what? Our next meeting is on Sunday. Yeah, this Sunday now. Yes. I will call you while we are in the meeting so that you will tell us everything you just explained to me now. You will tell us. Yes, I don't want to be the one to say it. I cannot use my mouth to say it. So it's better when I call you, I'll put it on speaker so that you will explain everything for us. Then we'll be able to choose the best option. Exactly. It's already night here. Yes. Take care of yourself. Oh, till that Sunday when I call you. Good night. Stay safe, oh. Alright. Good night. Oh, bye-bye. $20,000. Where are we going to see that kind of money from? We are in the meeting now. Yes, everybody is here. I want to put the phone on speak out so that you'll be able to address us. Okay, well, hold on. The phone is on speak out now. Okay, oh yeah, you can talk. We are hearing you.
Okay, well, Debby, good morning.
Yeah, how are you?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Good.
So, what you guys say? You want for me to greet your choir?
Welcome, dear. If you know why we are here, you go straight to the point. What we are in is a serious business. And you better buy the Toribia or a Canadian Toribia.
Okay, straight to business. I spoke with the hospital management about our late mother's case, and they gave me 3 options. They said if you want them to bring her corpse with fire and send her ashes home for us to bury, that it will cost us $3,000. If you want them to bury her in their cemetery and hold the mass on her, and hold the mass for her on the burial day, that it will cost us $5,000. But if you want them to send the corpse home for us to bury, that it will cost us $20,000.
20,000 guinea.
Dollars.
Yeah.
But before Mama died, there was something she said.
Go ahead. We're listening.
She told me that Brother David has spent a lot in bringing her to this place, that if she dies, if the money to bring her body home will cost a lot, and if we can't support it, that we shouldn't bother bringing her body home, that we should bury her here and hold a funeral for her at home.
Thank you.
If we can't afford it, but we can afford it. See, if there's any conspiracy that my mom will be buried in India, that person will have me to contend with. That will be over my dead body.
We have heard you. Oh, take care of yourself. We will talk later. Oh, bye. Oh,
Alright. We're adults in this family now. Nobody's a child here. So it's best we reason like adults. I spent 25 million naira to send our mother to India for kidney transplant. Alright, 25 million naira taken from my business. And it shook my business. But I did it because she's our mother. Alright? And I'll do it for any of you here. As blood in my siblings, I will do it. I did not ask anybody for a dime. I did it with my own money. Hard-earned money from my sweat. Sadly, our mother passed away.
Why are you telling us? No, we all know that the money came from you. Are you not the first son? Huh? You're the first son. After all, you're the one controlling my late father's business.
Chibweze, allow your elder brother to finish. Allow him to talk. I'm sorry, oh.
As I was saying before, my younger brother rudely interrupted me. I said I spent 25 million naira to send our mother abroad. My money. Right? It shook my business. I'm still working to get my business back to where it used to be. I will not, I repeat, I will not spend over 30-something million to bring her body down here. It doesn't make sense to me because none of you will give me a dime. It's still going to come from my business. I will not do it. Okay? Let us choose from the other options that she gave. One, it's either we tell them to burn the body and send the ashes down here. It's called cremation if you don't know. Or, second option, we tell them to bury the body there. Then we do a befitting funeral for our mother here. Which one do you choose?
Can you hear yourself speak? You know, sometimes I do not know how mom beget this one. So you are going to allow mom's corpse to be burnt to ashes, brought to us to be buried in our land. You should be ashamed of yourself. In fact, shame on you.
What is it? Don't talk to your elder brother like that.
See, we are not considering any other option. If it will cost our father's business to close down, let it close down. But my mother's corpse must be brought back home, buried. After all you are squandering is my late father's money. Our family business, that's what you're squandering. And who we're talking about is my mother, my own mother. It is her late husband's money. Marco.
Sister Ifoma, I think I've had enough. I will not sit down here and keep watching my younger brother insult me. It will push me to react, and the reaction may not be good. With all due respect, it's time for me to take my leave. You know where to find me if you need me.
See. This is not the time for you to shy away from your responsibilities. All the money you are squandering is my late father's money. Wait here, bring it out, let us bury my mom. If you have any thought that my mother's corpse will be burned in India, then you have me to contend with. Squandering our father's money with his useless wife. His useless wife! Now, nonsense.
30-something million.
30-something million. And so what? 30-something million and so what? We have to wear with her and you know that.
Hey, Memo. Hey! Not after the whole money he spent sending Mama to India, paying for the kidney transplant. No, now the money is too much. Where is he going to bring it from? For business here? I don't support it though. I don't and I won't. The money is too much.
What point is he making? No, tell me, what point is he making? Wait, let me ask you. Do you think Chief Dike's empire is just 100 million or 200 million? We're talking about an empire that has gathered up to $800 to $1 million. Yeah. What are you talking about? I am very, very... See, how will it sound that Chief Dike's wife was abandoned in India and you all refused to bring her back to this country because of money? That's a very big shame. Because it will be a very big disgrace to us. What are you talking about? How do you all want to ruin Father's legacy? Why? I am very, very sure that Father is angry with you all because I am exceptional. I am the one talking. I am the one voicing all this while. I will not stay here and watch you all abandon my mother there over my dead body.
Teresa, why are you talking like this? See, I am on the same lane with you. But what we are talking here is money. I will be the happiest person to see them bring back Mama's corpse. But what we are talking here is money. Real money, big I get with there. 30-something million. Yeah, not money.
What issue of money are you talking about again? Seems you don't even understand all I have been crying out for. Brother David has the money to transport tens of mom's corpses all the way from India to this country. I am sure you don't even know how much Father deposited in that young man's corpse. I'm sure you don't know how much is in the business account. That is why you're talking. That's why you're saying this. You will be so amazed to see how much this young man has amassed and gathered for himself. Diego, let him go to India and bring my mother's corpse here.
Please. This thing you are saying, are you trying to exaggerate things, or you are thinking or feeling or guessing that David has such money and yet refused to bring it out? Which one? Because for me, I don't think he has that kind of money. 30-something million. But hey, David, I think you are guessing. Yes. Guess.
Is that you say guessing? Alright, let me shock you if your shock absorber is still intact. Brother David just bought a warehouse near his parking store for 54 million naira last month.
Osu?
Osu? Osu, let me shock you again. He is planning, in fact, he bought another property again near that warehouse again for 50 million naira. I am even sure that he has paid for it. What am I talking about?
50 million?
Now, see, let him do everything possible to bring us cops here. But all these things you people are doing, me, Chibeze, will not allow it to happen. Menkwe?
Chibeze, are you trying to tell me that David bought properties worth over 100 million naira?
I cannot be lying. Go and verify. Verify all these things I have told you. Then you come back. I'm sure you are going to come back and say thank you because I'm trying to open your eyes. No, Munso. I have all the information.
Baby. You're not sleeping, why? I hope it's not about Weze and his rantings. I hope that's not what you're thinking about.
No, not really. Just thinking about certain issues.
Babe, this is night, okay? Night is meant for sleeping. Oh? You could come and sleep. You go. Please come and sleep. It's late. Please.
Joe, I am confused. Confused. I just want to be sure I'm doing the right thing. Right? It's not as if I have all the money in the world to throw away on avoidable things. At the same time, I don't want to hurt my family. You know me. What do you say, Joe?
The truth is that we are Igbos. We are actually different from other tribes. No matter where an Igbo person dies, the family believes that it is the right of the dead to be buried in his native land. A sojourner does not stop until he gets home. That is our proverb. It tells more on our mindset that the sojourner must get home one day, either dead or alive.
So, all these Igbo men who sold properties to send their people abroad and they died on the journey, are you saying they are all brought back home? All of them?
There is always an exception to any rule. Yes, of course, I know a lot of Igbo people died abroad and their families didn't have money to bring them home. They buried them abroad because they had no options. They had no options. That doesn't mean that they were happy burying their persons abroad. They did it because they didn't have options. They didn't have the money. When the desirable is not available, the available becomes desirable. So the question should be, do you really have the money?
I need to sample more opinions from other people. Yes, 30-something million naira is huge. I can't just spend it on bringing back a corpse. And it won't even end there. I'll still spend over 30 million naira again on the funeral. Where did I keep that kind of money? No, this is not adding up. It's not adding up one bit. It's just not making sense at all.
My sister, you can imagine these people. They want my husband to bring 30-something million naira to bring back who? Their dead mother. Somebody that is dead. I'm serious. 30-something million naira that we will use to do something that is important. They want him to bring it out to bring out somebody that is dead. You can imagine.
I don't understand. 30-something million naira for what? And where is it done? Ha!
Sharon, why are you sounding as if you don't know me now? You know me. I have already told my husband, it is not possible. He will not bring back shishi. He won't bring out a dime that he's bringing somebody that is dead. What kind of a thing is that one now?
Because I'm just trying to digest it. In fact, there's no need to panic because I trust you.
Okay.
Please don't let that nonsense sink. What's that?
You know me now, Sharon. I know the forehand. If I say I would do something, I would do it. I'm not just saying it because I'm saying it. My husband will not bring out a dime. When I mean a dime, it's not even a small money. 30-something million.
Hey!
No.
Let me tell you. I know his family would want to mount pressure on him. See, don't let it happen. Stand on your ground. You see that money? They would not see it. For a dead person.
It's no pressure. On who? When they finish putting the pressure there, he will come back to this house and meet me. I will bring down the pressure. Am I not the wife? Let him go and come back. I'm waiting for him. They will mount pressure on him. He will come back and meet me now. I will bring down the pressure. Let me get you something to drink. Now, same pressure. 30-something million naira. Let them bring the money if they have it.
Cause all is not vanity, above vanity. All is not vanity, above vanity.
Baby, so what did Jonathan say about it? He
He told me how the Igbos like to bring back and bury their dead at home. Oh, that's if you have the resources. But if the resources are not available, you can just go ahead and bury the person in a foreign land.
Perfect. I mean, very good. Can't you see it answers our question? I mean, in our own case, we don't even have the resources. So it's even better they bury her there in India. Babe, please don't even give me that look. Don't look at me like that. Don't look at me like I'm a devil. Do you have the resources? No, now let me ask you, do you have the resources? Do you? Babe, see, I don't want it to look like I'm exaggerating, okay? Remember, you will still finance this burial. It's not as if it will just end in bringing Mama's corpse back. After bringing back the corpse, you will still finance it, the burial. And it's not even as if Weze or Sister Ifoma or even Nanye will contribute a dime. They will not contribute anything. Everything is still on your head as the first son. Yes. You will bring back Mama's corpse. You still finance the burial. It will be too much on us now. Maybe think about it. It will be too much. They will want you to single-handedly do everything. Check it now. That will be too much on us.
You're right. You're right. It's not as if it will end with me bringing back the corpse. I still have to spend millions on the burial. Come on now. I'm not a billionaire.
So, just saying the same thing, baby.
Too much.
Very much. To be too much. Let them just bury her there.
'Cause all is now.
You've been with my late father during his days. He handed over his landed properties to you and you never disappointed him.
Thanks for the compliment, ma.
You're welcome. I also know that you're working with my younger brother David currently. Okay. Please. There is something I need to know. I want to ask you this question and please, I don't want you to lie to me.
I have no reason to lie to you.
God bless you. I heard my brother David bought a warehouse close to my late father's packing store. Is it true?
Yes. David is paying for 2 warehouses. He has already finished paying for one and committed some money for the other one.
Are you kidding me? Sorry that I'm asking too much. I just need some clarity on 1 or 2 disturbing issues. How much is the worth of this property?
54 million naira ish.
54 what?
54 million ish.
Are you trying to tell me that my brother David bought a property worth over 50 million naira?
Yeah. David is really doing well for himself. As a matter of fact, that is not the only property he has acquired through my agency.
Thank you so much. Thank you for this information. Please enjoy your drink.
Thank you.
Mama is gone.
Oh, you thought I was joking when I was telling you about it. Thought I was joking.
Unbelievable. To think that David has such an amount of money, yet he refused to bring back our mother's corpse. I can't believe it.
You don't know, Brother David. I have never seen a selfish human being like that, my older brother. All he knows is himself and that his stupid wife. All the wealth they are enjoying today was proceeds from my family business. My father's money. And yet anytime I go to meet him and for money, he tells me he doesn't have money. Sister, how can we have a man wealthy like David, yet we are broke? We don't have money. You see, in this my mom's case, I will show him that me keeping quiet doesn't mean I am a fool.
I'm with you on this. 100%. You see, David, over 100 million naira. Hey! It's in about months when I heard it. He must bring money to bring back Mama's corpse. And she'll be given a befitting burial. Sunday is our meeting. I am going to mandate him to do the needful immediately. With immediate effect.
That is my sister talking.
What I say stands.
Ibiago. He's there spending money, buying things, and my mom is lying there in India.
It takes millions of people to build their reputation, but it takes only one foolish person to destroy it all. You got to keep your eyes up. You got to keep the spirit alive. Don't be deceived by what you see.
Hey, well, they're fine, but now hunger do.
Hunger. Do you know the house of whom you are? Chief DK, and then you open your mouth to talk about hunger. Please don't say that again, okay?
Nigerian will not understand. Since Madam travel go Bodo Ibo, nobody they reason me for this house. Eh? Now I make this agent they pay me.
Alright? I mean, mom's death is a huge loss for everybody. Alright? Please don't cry again. Okay, so the reason I'm here, I'm just coming from the local government, okay? I went to pay for the honor property validation fee. Alright, so this is the photocopy and this is the original. Alright, so once the Ifeoma Obese comes back, give any of them the original copy and then paste the photocopy on the gate so that whenever the local government tax force comes, they'll easily say it. Alright? Don't mistake it, don't mix them up. Oh.
This is original?
Yes.
So a photocopy?
Yes. Do you understand? You give this one to boys or sister Ifeoma when they return. Then you give this, you post this one on the gates. Understood? Don't mix it up, oh. Alright, there's no problem. I'll take my leave now. Levi. Let me see.
It takes millions of people to build their reputation.
What are you doing here?
I don't understand. What do you mean by what am I doing here?
You don't understand? Kill you. I say, what are you doing here?
Rosa, you just insulted me. Alright, please, I won't take it from you, okay? Do not even insult me. I mean, you're supposed to give me some respect.
Respect?
Yes! Besides, this is my husband's property, so I can come in and go out anytime I want to.
Now listen to me very carefully. I do not want to see you in this property, so that witchery you're practicing in your home should be done in your husband's house and not here. So I don't want to see you here. You get into this car and live here. The next time you come here, I will kill you.
Boise, you lie. No, that is a big lie. What do you mean by that? That I should not enter this property as who? I'm going to come. See, already I know you don't like me right from time, but I do not give a hoot about it. Because if you see this house, I will come to this house anytime I like.
One.
Boise, do anything you want to do. You see this house, I'm not going anywhere. Yes.
Two.
You want to hit me? Go ahead and do your worst now. I'm not leaving this place, Boise. Do that thing that you want to do. I already know that you don't like me. Go ahead and do what you want to do.
I can see you think I'm joking, right?
Yes, you're joking.
You think I am joking?
Do what you want to do.
Man, wait for me.
Okay, go be mayor, Boise. I'm not living here. What is your problem? What is your own? All the time you're making just
You think I'm joking, right? Get out!
Where's
this car right now and leave.
I will tell my husband this thing you are doing. What is your problem now?
I'm giving you a few seconds. Enter your car and leave this place right now.
There's no problem. No, there's no problem. You see this thing you are doing now? My husband will
Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! You can only do that in your husband's house and not this property. If I see you here next time, you are going to see another side of me. And you, come here. Listen to me very carefully. The next time I see this woman in this compound, you not only lose a job, I'm going to lock you and throw the keys in the ocean. Do you understand me?
Yes, Oga. But no, God didn't like that.
Are you stupid? Are you mad?
No verse, sorry, no verse.
Close the gate. Lock it!
It's a lie.
You're surprised, yeah? I mean, you're so surprised. My dear Boise literally looked me in the face and told me not to step my feet into my own husband's property. Can you imagine that?
Wait, what?
As a matter of fact, that guy what am I even saying? That guy nearly hits me. Even when I tried to hit, they tried to push me. What am I even saying?
What?
My dear, I had to leave that place. I left there before that boy would injure me. Eh?
Ha! Babes, look, don't let this slide. Never. Don't let it.
Do you know that boy has never liked me? I mean, ever since I got married into that family, for one day he has never liked me. And I don't know why.
Let me get this straight. How did this issue of him not letting you enter the family house, how did it start? Because I can't even wrap my head around it. How?
I mean, what else? What else if it's not about bringing back the corpse of their dead mother? I mean, these people literally want my husband to spend huge amounts of money in bringing back a dead person. Who does that? Where is it done? Eh? Which sane person is going to spend that kind of money in bringing back a dead person?
This is absolute insanity.
Okay.
This is the highest level of madness. I mean, that boy should know better now.
Okay.
What's all this? You should know. You shouldn't be doing this nonsense.
That's no problem. When my husband gets back, I'm going to tell him to evacuate them from that property. Let me see what they will do. No, don't tell me it has not got into that. I will tell my husband to do that. Since he's not rubbing shoulders with me, sending me out of my own husband's property, I will tell my husband to do that. What kind of insult is that?
Listen. Judy, you can't do that. That is their family's house. You can't do that.
Hello? As far as I'm concerned, that property belongs to my husband. Okay? It is my husband's property given to him by his late father.
And nobody is disputing that fact. Okay? But that house still remains their family's house. You can't touch it.
Really? But then he doesn't want me to enter into that same property. No, has he forgotten that he married me into that family? He has forgotten that my husband paid my bride price in full. As a matter of fact, I am now a member of that family. So why is he restricting me from entering that property?
Listen, as much as I don't agree with what he did, you still do not have a right to ask them to leave that house. Okay? And they don't even have a right to ask you not to enter the compound either. Please. Putu, there's always a way around this. Just leave the family's house aside, eh?
You mean Chibeze, my brother, asked you not to come to the family house again?
Yes, so your brother literally chased me out of that house. As a matter of fact, your brother nearly pounced on me. If I had not left that place immediately, your brother would have injured me.
Yeah.
Okay.
My own wife is mad.
Babe, you expect him to pick your call? He will not pick your call. There is no way he will pick your call. He knows the reason you are calling him. Keko yesi pick your call. He won't. He won't pick.
Don't worry, it's okay. Sunday is just around the corner. Day after tomorrow. I'll see him. He'll tell me why he said my own wife cannot enter the family house. What nonsense.
Okay.
I see his madness has started again. Don't worry. I will cure that madness.
No. Baby, you need to cure that madness. Cure it before you start walking around the streets. Before Puanegu, you need to cure it. What kind of nonsense is that?
Before we go into this meeting proper, Chibeze, why did you say that my wife cannot come into the family house again? Why?
Because I don't want her around here. Her presence irritates me.
And what right do you have to give such orders?
The last time I checked, this is my father's house. And I have the right to tell a non-family member not to intrude into this premises.
Chibeze, you're actually very stupid. For saying that my wife is not a family member, you are very stupid.
You are the one stupid here. Eh? You are the one stupid, but you don't know.
Me?
Your
elder brother is stupid. Sister, did you hear him? Did you hear what this boy just said to me?
Can you hear that, brother, sister? David, can you just put this matter aside? Let's discuss the reason we are here.
Oh. So this one is not important?
I did not say it's not important. What I'm saying is, we have reason. We have a pressing need why we called for this meeting. Our mother, David, your mother's corpse is lying in a hospital morgue in India. We ought to be discussing how do we bring back Mama's corpse? How do we raise money and bring her back? On her paper, not the wife. On a jabs and jargon. We go to wife. Is that why we are here?
Yeah, but what why? Only your wife that.
So wait. My younger brother insulting my wife and me addressing it is now jabs and jargon. Is that what you're saying?
What are you even saying? What is your problem? No, David, what is the color of your problem? We are talking about your mother. David, discuss your mother. Leave wife. Talk about your father's home.
Chai. War don't start. What? Hi. Wahala don't start. I know say this woman dead go scatter this family. I talk am. Chai. But God I beg. Because of me, your son, make this family no scatter. Because this family scatter, me I don't go. And if I go for this house, we are going to see work for this guy hard country. Where work dey? God I beg now. See, Saturday. They don't fight.
Alright. Based on the burial matter, I still maintain that we choose from the two options given to us by the Indian hospital. That something million naira is a lot of money to waste on bringing back a body. I will not do it. I will not. I repeat, I will not. I'd rather invest that money in landed property or any other thing, but not bringing back a body. If both of you feel I'm not doing the right thing, it's okay. Go ahead, spend your own money. Bring back the body. Once Mama's body gets to Nigeria, call me. I'll take over from there.
Hi. Did you see the way I'm looking at you? Try! Chief Deacon Nam. Chief Deacon Nam. Deacon people.
Oh.
Come and see what you gave birth to. Hi!
Chibese, you know how to solve it. David, I want to ask you this simple question. And I want you to make it clear. Are you saying you will not bring back Mama's corpse because you don't have the money? Or because you prefer to invest it into something profitable according to you? You may invest. Because which one? Just help me, let me understand now.
Both.
Both?
Yes. I do not have the money. Secondly, if I had it, I will not spend it on something very foolish.
Hey! So, bringing back your late mother's corpse back to our fatherland is now something foolish, is it?
Extreme foolishness, that's what it is. I won't do it.
Yeah. What the ma? The three of us, which is Chibweze, Nwa no here, Adanne, and Nenye Nwa, three of us have agreed and quakerita within us. And they say 3 against 1. Hands down. Hands down. 3/1. So we have decided as a family to bring back our mother's corpse from India so that we can give her a befitting burial. Okay?
More likely.
So what we should be discussing now, the money, so what we should be discussing now, the list of India, the one that will go to coffin, the one that will go to ambulance, sharing what you have brought, not telling me you don't have money.
And drinks.
Drinks.
My boys are coming, everybody smoke.
That is what we should be discussing. And I'll be planning with it. I'm not calling too.
It's obvious 3 of you have ganged up against me. But while you were planning and agreeing, hope you also plan to contribute money, because I will not bring a dime. I'm saying it again. You want to bring back mother's body? Fine. Do it yourselves. Bring back the body and then call me.
Also? Because who did they hand over our family's business to?
Mr. David Dike.
Mr. David Dike.
And his wife.
Stranger. Mr. David Dike, you are the one our late father handed over the family business to. The headquarter of the money. So you will be the one to bring that money, no matter how much. Our mother will not be buried, nor burnt in a foreign land. It is not done. We have said it and final.
No problem. I made my point. And my decision stands. I will show you all that I'm the first son. And nobody can change it. You want to bring our mother's body, fine. Contribute money, bring her here. Once the body lands, call me.
And I will show you that I will
know where my mother will get this.
I say first son. I will not know. When it's time to act as a first son, go out and act. I'm not sure. We want to back.
Why you not a big pig?
No,
It was fishy the moment Boise started displaying that arrogance of his. Sweetheart, they have declared war on us and what they will get. Oh yes! If not, tell me what would have given Boise the audacity, the mind to do what he did. Tell me!
You're right. They already had their meeting and they decided to bring war upon us.
Babe, I'm not afraid of war. If you want war, let them bring it. I'm waiting for them. Please help me tell them that I said that. I am waiting for them. Let them bring war. Sweetheart, we are not going to succumb to what they want. Yes, if it is war, let them bring it. I'm waiting for them. We cannot spend over 30-something million naira for what? For a useless project. We can't do that, never. I don't know, okay. If he wants it, let him bring money.
You see that money? David must bring out that money for us to bring back Mama. Yes. Mother's body will never be burnt or buried in a foreign land. It will not. Not when her late husband, our father, had so much thriving business that he handed over to his first son. Never. It will not happen.
Our once peaceful family apart. Since our mom already said before she died that we can go ahead and bury her here, why don't you just do that and let peace reign?
Naya, what are you saying? What are you saying? Mom only said that out of pity and ignorance. Yes, she didn't want David to spend much money, not knowing how rich he is.
But you don't even know whether David has that kind of money or not too.
Now you are talking. Initially, I wanted us to go by Mom's wish, to do exactly what she wanted. Not until Chibueze opened my eyes to let me know that David, your brother, has so much money, more than we can imagine. They are in money. Can you believe that your brother David bought properties worth over 100 million naira at a go? Now you understand what I'm saying. I had to call the agent and he told me it was true. Our brother and his wife are swimming in money. They're enjoying everything our late father worked for, all alone. Now you understand with me. If it is their personal deal or their personal problem, they will go ahead and do it without wasting time. But now it is our collective interest. They are trying to shy away from it. They must bring back Mama and give her a befitting burial. And that is fine now.
Babe, you didn't tell me the outcome of the meeting anyway. How far?
Our sister, war has been declared, a full-blown war has been declared.
Are you serious?
Yes, so, my dear. My husband actually confronted Chibueze for that stupid display he threw at me the last time I went to the family house.
Okay.
And then Sister Ifoma came out and told my husband not to even raise that topic because that topic is a distraction. You did something like that to your sister-in-law and my husband decided to defend me and Sister Ifoma said that it is a distraction, that the topic is a distraction. Hey, let me even shock you. There has been a meeting before that meeting. Oh yes! They had a meeting before that meeting.
They have ganged up against my husband and I. But there's no problem, oh. They should gang up for all I care. I'm not even afraid of anybody. I trust you. In that their meeting, they have decided that my husband must bring back the corpse of their dead mother. That was what they told him. I'm telling you. But I have told my husband, if you want 1 naira, if you want kobo, if you want chicken, or na, he will not contribute. He will not bring out a dime. Do you know me now? I don't want it to look like I'm a wicked person. No. I am not a devil. There is no problem. If they want to bring back the corpse of their dead mother, there's no problem. Neya is in India. Chiboeze is there. Sister Ifoma is there. They can contribute and bring back the corpse of their dead mother. Is she not their mother too? She's their mother. There is no problem. They should contribute and bring back their dead mother. But my husband, I am saying it again, I will not allow my husband to contribute a dime to bringing back a dead person.
See, on this one, I am solidly behind you. What nonsense? 30-something million. What is their problem? It's not done.
You can imagine.
I really do not know what my brother saw in that woman. That Jezebel of a wife he got married to. I'm still trying to figure out the qualities he saw in her.
Well, baby, it's love. He loves her just the way you love me.
What stupid love are you talking about? No, what stupid love? You love character and virtue, not just the outer appearance.
Baby.
See, I'm not dumb. As a man, you need to love the inner qualities of a woman and not just what we see in our eyes. This outside appearance doesn't matter.
I know that. But it's unfortunate some men don't know. They see a beautiful lady, they jump to her without even considering her character.
And they end up in dishes. That's what I'm talking about here. I don't know what he saw in that Jezebel of a woman. Just imagine if you were in her shoes.
Me? Baby, you should know me better than that. If I was in her shoes, I would make sure that my husband would do the needful. I would make the house so uncomfortable for him until he brings back his mother's corpse and give her a befitting burial.
Well, it's like I don't know you. I know you so well now. I'm on golf for
Yeah. So, baby, what are you guys going to do about the whole thing if you still insist on not bringing the money?
Why are you asking me that kind of question? Why are you asking Chiboeze me that kind of question? Not the Madam Ofuma. You don't know me so well. That's why you're saying this. He dares not.
Just take it easy. I mean, I know your mom wouldn't want all this trouble. Just take it easy, okay?
Enemies to come, don't destroy the legacy Papa built, the legacy Mama built. Don't destroy it, two brothers fighting. This is dangerous. Lovely family has turned to enemy.
Yeah. Is my sister Ifoma in the house?
Yes, she's inside. Hey! E be like this family won't scatter. Hey! God, I beg, no allow this family scatter. I beg. Do something.
To enemies. You have turned to enemies. You have turned to us enemies. Why? Lovely family has turned to.
Sister, thank God I met you.
You're back already.
See, we need to take action very, very fast.
How do you mean?
Okay. What if Brother David insists on not bringing out money from Mom's body? What are we going to do?
It's not possible. He won't even try that. Not while I'm here, never.
What if he insists? If I enable.
If he insists, I will make him bring out the money by fire by force. Because Mom's body will not be there. It's not possible. In a foreign land? No, it's not done anywhere.
You see, that thing that you want to do, I want to hear it with my own ear. Actually, my ear.
Okay, calm down now. Don't worry. You must not know everything. When the time comes, you will see the action.
I must know everything. See, at this point, we need to have a plan. We need to set out our plan, back up all our decisions with action. Not staying here every now and then and talking unnecessarily without action. But now,
That's an indirect insult. So, are you saying I'm talking unnecessarily?
I didn't say so. But all I'm saying is that let us set out a plan. Let us outsmart the devil. You know what I'm talking about.
Threaten each other day by day. For how long will this continue? For how long will you fight each other over mama's cups? Some more over mama's cups. Yeah. You are one. Stop fighting each other. Don't give room for enemies to come. Don't destroy the legacy Papa built, the legacy Mama built. Don't destroy it, two brothers fighting. This is dangerous. Lovely family has turned to enemies. Allow peace to reign. Allow peace to this go. This is dangerous. Lovely family has turned to enemies. Don't destroy yourself. Fighting. Stop fighting. This is dangerous. Stop fighting. Lovely family has turned to enemies. You have turned to enemies. Fighting. You have turned to us enemies. Why? Lovely family has turned to enemies. A stitch in time. Fighting. Saves now. This is dangerous. Stop fighting. Lovely family. Stop fighting. Stop fighting. Fighting. Stop fighting. This is dangerous. Love.
You are looking fine.
Thank you. You're not looking fast too.
How are your brothers and sisters?
They are fine.
What about your business?
We thank God. Uncle, something important brought me to your house. It is very important I relate to you and we'll discuss about it.
Really?
Yes.
Can we then sit down?
Uncle, you've heard everything that happened in my family and how my mom traveled to India and didn't make it alive after the surgery.
Chibueze, we are all grieving. Who would have believed that one Yoka, loving, hardworking, peaceful woman, would not have made it in that journey? Hi! Chibueze will be about one.
Uncle, what I came for is more grievous than the death of my mother.
What is it?
Uncle, you were a witness when my father shared his properties amongst us.
Of course I was there. I witnessed everything.
He gave David, my elder brother, the family business, the business empire to manage. And he gave me just 20 million naira to start a business of my choice. Yes. Uncle, as we speak now, that business has grown into a multi-million empire. Uncle, I'm not telling you 100 million or 200. I said a multi-million empire. And David, like you always call him, has refused to pay a paltry sum of 33 million naira to bring back the corpse of my mother from India to this country for burial.
Wait. David told you he does not have money to bring back the body of your mother from India back to Nigeria?
Uncle, I'm not telling you lies. The thing is that he wants my mother to be pumped to ashes. And the ashes being sent to us, transported to us for burial, Uncle.
Hey, another me, man. It cannot happen. It can never happen. How can? Hey, no. Don't even say that. Another me, man. Who does that?
Okay. Ha! So, Uncle, I came to your house as a mark of respect, so you can step into this matter before I do something stupid. Yes, I don't want tomorrow they will say, Chibueze did this, Chibueze has started, and being known like a black sheep of the family. It's all fine, but I will always stand by the truth. Uncle, please, if you know the method you're going to use, tell David to bring back the corpse of my mother to this land for burial. Please do it. Step into this matter before it goes overboard.
Just go home and relax. It is settled. Because I cannot sit down and watch my late brother's family go in flames. Okay, no. Another me. You wouldn't have bothered yourself coming. A phone call would have solved the whole problem.
No, Uncle. I decided to come because of how important this is to me. Uncle, please, I beg you, do something. Step into this matter and solve it. I don't want to do something stupid. That is why I came to pay you this respect.
No problem. I'll handle the matter.
Debby is about turning our family into a flame of fire. And I will not allow that to happen, sir.
Manyoka.
This is the sum of 50,000. Use it and buy any stuff of your choice. Anything you want for now.
Chibueze, all this money for me?
For you.
Is it not too much?
It's not too much, Uncle. Please just manage it.
I pray to God Almighty. Your business will grow in leaps and bounds.
Amen.
Because I know you have a loving heart for me.
I do. Uncle, please, I need to start going right now. As you can see, the weather is not favorable. Time is tickling. Oh?
Chibueze, your business will grow and grow and grow. Because by the time you now grow bigger business, my lifespan will be extended.
Definitely.
Because you have a loving heart for me.
I know. I know.
Remain blessed.
Yes, I have to go now. Uncle, please, don't forget what we discussed.
I will not.
Biko.
I will not.
Okay. One, let me start going. Uncle?
Greet your brothers and sisters from you.
They gave you money, you misuse them. They gave you your own passion, you misuse them. They gave you pounds and dollars, you misuse them. They gave you naira, you misuse them. Now you are back to reap where you did not sow. Now you wise your work to reap where you did not sow. No one more. I got a they gave you money, you misuse them. They gave you your own passion, you misuse them. They gave you pounds and dollars, you misuse them.
Mission accomplished. Uncle Ibe says we shouldn't worry our heads, that it is a done deal.
What a good news. What a great news.
I know.
Let me see how he will disobey Uncle Ibe.
He cannot try such. He will not try such. Uncle Debby looked at you. He will not.
Hey, I'm so happy.
Yes, so yes, we have succeeded in clipping his wings every time.
This is what they call victory at last.
Wow. Let me go upstairs and freshen up. I am so tired.
Okay. I told the cook to make okwa and dry fish. I hope you will not mind for dinner.
Wow. ukwa and dry fish. Hey, you know it's my favorite now. What are you talking about?
I know, I purposely asked her to make it. For job well done.
Oh, darling, thank you so much. Alright, let me quickly run upstairs and freshen myself. Come back here and eat this food and make sure the dining is set before I come here.
She would do exactly that. Before you to your food is here.
Oh, let's celebrate. I'll be right back.
No problem. Hey, Chimu. Thank God. What a great news. Hey, God. Thank you at last.
David, I must be honest with you here. You are not behaving like an Igbo man that you are. Where is your Igbo man spirit, David? Every Igbo man that I know will strive to bring home his own that died abroad. Will make sure that his own is buried in his native land. Who has bewitched you, David? How can you be comfortably telling me that you want your mother to be buried abroad? Who has bewitched you?
Joe, are you in my pocket? Eh? Are you the one running my bank accounts? It's about the money, Joe. It's about the money, don't you get it?
Why then do we pray to make money, if not to use it when the need arises? A lot of families, Igbo families that I knew, cried. They cried because they didn't have money to bring their dead person home. They wanted to. Some even went as far as going to borrow the money. But there was no assistance. But here you are, comfortably saying that we want your mother to be buried abroad. Not as if you don't have the money, but just that you feel it is not worth it.
Joe, I single-handedly sent my mother abroad for transplant. And it cost me 25 million naira. In this economy now, I didn't complain, I didn't call any of my siblings. Now it's going to cost 32 million naira to bring her back. Put it together, that's over 50 million. To not end there, I still have to spend millions again on burial. Come on now. That's too much. It's too much. It's a waste.
David, let us tell ourselves the truth. You and I know that you can do all this and still remain the David that you are. Yes, tell yourself the truth. Why then do we pray to make money, if not to use it when the need arises? A lot of families, Igbo families that I knew, cried. They cried because they didn't have money to bring their dead person home. They wanted to. Some even went as far as going to borrow the money. But there was no assistance. But here you are, comfortably saying that we want your mother to be buried abroad. Not as if you don't have the money, but just that you feel it is not worth it.
Welcome, sir. Madam, carry motor come out. Okay, you know, tell me.
How long ago?
You don't taste like taste small, but never taste. But you don't taste small. Welcome, sir, once again. This one, Oga, he come back today. I hope all is well.
listen for more opinions from other people. Yes, 30-something million naira is huge. I can't just spend it on bringing back a corpse. And it won't even end there. I'll still spend over 30 million naira again on the funeral. Where did I keep that kind of money? No, this is not adding up. It's not adding up one bit. It's just not making sense at all.
Mama is gone.
Hey, Sharon. I have seen hell. Because what is this? So it is me that lady wants to be forming Munyodogu for. Hey, homie. Me that is the wife of David DK. You want to form Munyodogu for me? I don't get it. Where is it coming? How long now?
Hey, now this kind of Munyodogu because I've not seen. Somebody that we know and reach backyard. It's something we know.
This girl, it is very wicked. I'm telling you, Sharon.
But you should know now. I don't take chances. I don't take chances. When come around, we know.
My phone. Excuse me.
You know, do.
Indeed.
Oh, when you're there.
This one, my security man is calling me. I hope all is well.
Pick now.
Hello? Okay, so what did you tell him?
Madam, I tell her say you carry motor for me. And even ask me where you go. I tell her say, sir, you don't tell me.
Okay, so did he ask like how long I've been gone?
Madam, I tell her the truth. I tell her the truth. I tell her say you don't think small way you come out.
Ha! Hey, John! John! You need to put me in trouble. Look at this guy, you. Why will you tell him that?
Alright, there's no problem. Thank you very much for calling me to inform me, okay?
Yeah, I'll be coming back soon. Oh.
Babe, I hope everything is okay.
I wouldn't know. I don't even know when my husband will come back from work by this time of the day. I need to go home first so I'll know what's going on. Alright? Yeah. I'm sorry I can't drop you.
No, it's fine. I'll just take a cab, okay? Just be careful.
Alright, no
the
problem.
Original Munyodogu.
The original.
Be careful.
Every other Munyodogu is
Kanta.
Shut up, baby. Alright, my love. Take care.
Has turned to enemies. A stitch in time. Fighting saves lives. Dangerous. Stop fighting. Family. Stop fighting. Stop fighting. Fighting. Stop fighting. This is dangerous. Lovely family has turned to enemies.
Babe, what is it?
What is what?
Your mood. I mean, you came back from the office so early. Why are you like this? You're looking all gloomy.
Where are you coming from?
I'm coming from Sharon's shop. I went to pick up a hair. What is it? What is the problem? You know you can't tell me that. I mean, look at you. You look worried. So please tell me, what is the problem? What is bothering you? What is going on? Talk to me, baby, please.
It's about my mother's body.
Okay.
Maybe we should just bring back the body here and bury it.
Bring back what? Babe, what are you saying? Bring back what?
Hear me out.
No, I can't hear you out. Why do you even ask me to relax? You want me to allow you spend over 32 million naira to bring back what? A dead body? What are you saying? Sweetheart, please. If this is a joke to you, it is not to me because I will not allow you to do that. What are you saying? Over 32 million naira to bring back a dead body. Babe, please stop it. It's not even going to work. It will not. It's not possible. And yes, Sharon. Yes. I mean, you can't believe the reason my husband came back so early, looking so miserable, is because his family member has succeeded in convincing him to dance to their tune. You mean he has accepted to bring back his mom's corpse for that outrageous price? Exactly what I'm saying.
But I told you.
No, Sharon, it will not happen. It can never happen, not while I'm still married to David. In as much as I'm still his wife, it will not happen. Never! He will not even try that foolishness with me. He will not even try it.
My girl, he has accepted. But he has accepted now. What would you do?
See. There's a very big difference, okay? Accepting to do it is different from doing it. Why are you acting like you don't know me? Don't worry. Watch me play me. Watch me play me. Hey. Okay.
See, whatever you're doing, please just be careful. Okay? Just be careful.
There's no problem. Okay.
Babe, I was still talking and you walked out on me. It's wrong. It's absolutely wrong and you know it.
I'm sorry.
See, we need to talk.
Babe, see, if it's about spending the money to bring her back, then I'm sorry, I don't want to have that conversation, please.
You don't understand. See, everybody is...
Damn everybody. Damn everybody, David. You're not everybody. You are David. You are my husband. You are a man. I mean, you should have your own say as a man. Yes! You can't be seen being tossed to and fro by other people's opinion. The same way they have their own opinion is the same way you, my husband, have your own opinion. So why should you change your own opinion and then they keep theirs? Sweetheart, it should be the other way around, especially when money is being involved. Your own money. Your hard-earned money. He who opines to spend such an outrageous amount of money should also bring out money.
My love, you need to listen to me. Right? Listen.
No, David, you should be the one to listen. Babe, you should listen to me. Can't you see you're being deceived by these people? They want to deceive you. I mean, they want you to do something that is wrong. Can't you see? Babe, please, I beg you. Please. I do not want you to turn into the weakling that you are not. I want you to remain the Odogu that you are. Odogu wake. Don't even allow them do this to you.
Okay, please, I'm your wife. I can't deceive you and you know it. Please.
Mama is gone, you can see her again. No matter how long you fight, you can see Mama again. Mama is gone, you can see her again. No matter how long you fight, you can see Mama again. Two brothers fighting, this is dangerous. Lovely family has turned to enemies. Siblings fighting, this is dangerous. Lovely family has turned to enemies. Why do you want to kill yourself? This is dangerous. Why do you want to destroy yourself? Has turned to enemies. Mama is gone. You can see.
Everybody is fine. Is David around?
No, sir. Never come back. But Madam, they inside.
No, I will stand here and wait for him to come back.
Uncle, why you please stand here till Mama come back? Go inside. This is your house, and Madam is inside, like I said before.
Oh, Madam is inside, eh?
Yes. I'll be studying house.
Okay, if you say so, let's go.
No problem. Now your house.
Threaten each other day by day. For how long will this continue? For how long will you fight each other?
Thank you so much. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Let me.
It's all right. Oh, it's all right. It's all right.
Don't destroy the legacy Papa built, the legacy Mama built. Don't destroy it. Two brothers fighting. This is dangerous.
Yeah, who is it? John?
Yes, Mama.
Come in. John. What is it?
Uncle Ibe, they downstairs.
What?
Yes, ma'am.
These people think they are mean and intentional. There's no problem. I will show them that I am more mean and intentional than them.
Ma, intend what?
I wasn't talking to you. I'm saying what you do for me now. Go downstairs, serve him something cold. Tell him I'm quite busy, that I'll join him later.
Quite busy. And Uncle Ibe.
Okay, will you shut up your mouth? Go downstairs and do what I asked you to do.
Sorry, ma.
Get out!
Okay, trying to say the tension happening. No problem.
My uncle said he will come and see him today. Maybe by now he should be in his house.
Baby, you so much have confidence that your uncle will be able to solve this matter.
See, did you see Uncle Ibe? He's the only living brother and father that I know. My late father doesn't joke with him at all. He cultivated the spirit into us, right? So we honor and we respect him at all costs. So I have no other person to run to than Uncle Ibe. I'm very certain that he is going to settle this matter amicably.
What if your brother says no to him?
Yes. He dares not. Believe me.
So he's certain that he'll be able to resolve all the issue. And your brother cannot say no to him, isn't it?
That's what I'm saying. He dares not. He will always honor and respect our uncle. See, leave this matter, please. This whole thing is as settled as anything. It's settled. It's good. I don't have any problem with it. I know once he gets to his house, everything will be good.
Alright, if you say so.
I know so.
We're not fighting. You transfer my aggression.
I'm not fighting.
Nobody wants to die childless. Every man and woman want to have a child of their own, their unborn son. Do you know why?
They want their own interest to be represented fully well by their own flesh and blood, not by strangers by the time they have translated into the world beyond. When a stranger represents your interest, he does so with a pinch of salt attitude. When your own blood represents your interest, he does that knowing fully well he's representing his own interest, not as a stranger. You just got married last year, and soon you'll be raising your own children. A time shall come when you will not be able to speak for yourself. Strangers will do that for you. Just pray that those that will speak for you are not strangers. Because strangers will always be strangers, but your own blood will be your own blood. Huh? I was told that your mother said before she died that if you cannot raise money to bring her body back home, you should bury her in that strange land. David, does that sound like a perfect wish of a mother to a son? Something must have made her say that. The impression you gave her lately. But you still have a chance to correct that impression. Because you're a flesh and blood and not a stranger.
Mama is gone, you can see her again. No matter how long you fight, you can see Mama again. Mama is gone, you can see her again. No matter how long you fight, you can see Mama again. Two brothers fighting, this is dangerous. Lovely family has turned to enemies.
I knew it. I knew it. The moment John came to my room to tell me that Uncle Ibe was downstairs, I knew the reason he came here. I knew his agenda. Hey, today is today. You see that mission? It is aborted. In short, it is dead on arrival. Yes! It can never materialize. I will make sure of it. Eh? I am going to let these people know that I am now a member of this family. As far as I, Judy, is still breathing, it will never come to pass. It will never come to pass unless I'm not a member of this family. In as much as I'm still a member of this family, it is not possible. Uncle Ibe, if you like bring the entire village, it will not happen. Yes.
I told him I can't spend the night in his house. Because I was coming to see both of you. The family house is the right place for me to spend the night. Not in his house.
Uncle, thank you. Thank you very much for letting him know that this is a perfect place for you to be, not his home.
How can I spend a night in his house when his wife did not even welcome me? Mubibe.
Uncle, what are you saying? Judy did not come down to welcome you?
Yeah. When the gate man took me in, he went to go and call her. And she told him that she is coming. She didn't come until David came back up.
Meaning you've not eaten anything?
No. The gate man provided me with enough drinks. I'm okay.
Uncle, you should have stormed into the house, bring out that girl and give her a dirty slap. That girl is doing too much in this family, and I'm sure going to put her in her place. How can Uncle Ibe travel all the way from the village to see her husband on a very important matter and she didn't come out? She didn't even come to greet him. Hey! Oh!
My dear, she's the least of my worries now. Judy, no, I come case. When I'm ready for her, she will know. Uncle Biko, how did it go?
Well, perfectly. I spoke with him like an elder. And he promised me he was going to call for another meeting where his people will plan on how to bring back the body of your mother.
How about no choice? He doesn't have a choice.
Uncle, thank you so much. Thank you for playing the role of an elder. I knew we could count on you. Thank you so much.
You don't need to thank me. I've done what is expected of me to do. Okay, no. It's never done anywhere.
Alright. Uncle Biko, what will you like to eat for dinner near Bani? Oh, Uncle, tell me what you would like to eat and they'll prepare it for you.
My favorite, apple. Alright,
let me tell them in the kitchen.
No problem. That is life.
You don't want to tell me what you discussed with your uncle, right?
What I discussed with my uncle is none of your business.
Oh, really? So what you're trying to tell me is that I'm no longer a part of this family.
If you want to count yourself out of the family, it's your problem. I don't care.
Anyways, I heard what he said to you. And I also heard your response to him.
That's your cup of tea, woman.
I just knew it. I knew it, David. I knew you don't like me. You don't even love me one bit as your wife. One atom of love you don't even have where I am. All you care about is your family. It is only your family that you know, David. The other day, your brother assaulted me in the family house. Till today, you as my husband, you did not do anything. Now you and your uncle want to spend a fortune to bring back a dead person. David, I have been begging you. I have been begging you for a very long time. What am I even saying? I've been begging you since last year to start up a business for me. In fact, I said start up a shopping mall. That is what I want. But you keep telling me there is no money. There is no money. Ego Adiro. Isn't it?
See, I had a hectic day, right? I need to rest. You're disturbing me.
I'm disturbing you.
You're making noise.
In this house. David, your wife is talking to you and you're telling me that I'm disturbing you. Me, Judy, I'm making noise. David, there will be no peace for you in this house. There will be no peace. I bet on my life there will be no peace for you. I'm talking to you, you're telling me that me, Judy, is making noise. There is no problem. What am I even saying? Thank God you married me well. You married me traditionally, you married me legally. There is no point. Before you bring out one kobo for any nonsense, you will give me money for my shopping mall, down to the last of it. One kobo like this, or my fanata, else. Okay.
Else what?
You're trying me. You want to know what I will do? There's no problem. I'm asking for this money now in peace, so instead of you to give me that money in peace, you will not give me that money in peace now. Give me that money in peace, so that they'll be. Oh! I'm talking, you're working out. Abatarian also. You watch also, you come back to this room, this matrimonial, you will come back and meet me. There's no problem. Keep running, oh! Keep running. Let me see you spend one kobo for any nonsense. You're not giving the living money, you want to use it to carry the dead. Rubbish. Ha!
Oh my goodness, I am happy. I told you. He said he's going to convene a meeting so we can talk and discuss how to bring mother's calves from India back home.
Oh, really? Baby, I am so happy. This is good news.
I know.
I mean, it's ended so well.
But I told you there's no way my father's wife will be buried in abroad. When you Chief DK. Come on, don't let another ear to hear it.
I know, right?
Yeah. Wow.
But baby, you need to man up. It's time for you to sit up as a man.
How do you mean?
Please. I understand the fact that you are your mom's last child, as such her favorite child. But mommy is no longer here now. It's time you sit up like a man and face life squarely.
Where exactly are you driving to?
Who says you cannot hustle like your older brother and make money yourself? Who says you cannot even be richer than him?
But the family business was given to him.
Which they gave you money to start up your own. Baby, you need to leave the family house. Build your own mansion. Hustle and become Odogu yourself. Okay? When bills arises, you will share it with your brother. As such, you will gain your own respect as a man.
Sharon, do you know that these people have succeeded in brainwashing my husband into accepting and bringing out that money?
I told you now. I knew they would do it.
That will be over my dead body. That will be over my dead body because it is not going to happen. See, David doesn't even know who he's married to. He doesn't even know me at all. Maybe he thinks that he knows me, but he doesn't. Or he thinks I'm still that cool and gentle and calm girl he got married to. He doesn't know that I've changed. I will play cinema movie for him to watch. He should not even try that nonsense with me. No. Please don't tell me to calm down. No! What am I taking easy? I will not take it easy. My dear, that will not happen. Before that thing happens, I will divorce him.
Judy!
Oh yes, I will divorce him. He's going to share everything he has to his name. He will share it into two. And then he will give me my own part. Then maybe from his own share, he will bring out the 30-something million naira that he has promised them. Because as far as me, Judy is concerned, it will not happen.
It hasn't gotten to this. Okay? That will not happen.
It will happen. It will happen. Which one is it has not gotten to this? What are you even saying? I cannot be alive and watch a man that I got married to do that kind of nonsense. This woman has literally given them the instruction that when she dies that they should bury her there. Why are they making this thing difficult? The lady is still looking for money to survive. They want to bring out 30-something million naira just for rest. To do what? To bring out somebody that is dead.
Judy, I understand exactly how you feel. Please, it hasn't gotten to divorce yet. Just, Butu, calm down.
Sharon.
Calm down, please.
Sharon. Okay, make it kafimo. No, okay, make it nanya vam. Okay, make it vam nanya. Watch me and see. No problem. Watch me and see. Let him try it. And now come, what happens to you?
My uncle visited me from the village. We talked at length. And in the end, I saw reasons. And I promised him that my mother's body will not be burnt or buried in India.
Oh, that's a great one. I love this.
But my wife.
David, your wife shouldn't be a problem here. You are the man of the house. Your decision should be the final.
Yes, Joe, you're right. I agree with you 100%. I love my wife, right? I care about her so much. I love to carry her along in my decision making. I'm already feeling bad that, I did nothing when my younger brother assaulted her in the family house. I did absolutely nothing. I just let it slide. Now this one.
David, your wife knows that you love her. She knows.
Is that what you think? She's already feeling that I don't love her. She's saying I don't care about her.
You know that women are used to emotional blackmail. They always like to accuse us of not loving them. Any little thing like this, they will start trying to blackmail us emotionally. You should know their ways now.
Yes, I know, but I still need to prove to her that I love her. Yes, love is action and not words.
The only thing I feel you will do now is to talk to her with love. Try to convince her. Let her see reasons your mom should be buried there. Just talk to her with love. All this is with you now. There's no how you cannot convince your wife. There's no how she cannot succumb to your wish if you persist.
Mama is gone, you can see her again. No matter how long you fight, you can see Mama again. Mama is gone, you can see her.
Baby, know I love you so much. I care about you deep. You know that.
I used to. But right now, I don't even know if you love me anymore.
Why would you say that?
Because I don't understand you anymore, David.
What is there not to understand? Is it not because of my mother's body? I've decided to bring her body back home and bury her here on our soil for peace to reign.
And I have decided to divorce you if you do such stupid thing.
Why would you say that?
Because I cannot be married to a foolish man. Yes.
Excuse me. So bringing my mother's body to bury her here on our soil, back home here, is now foolishness.
David, even mom knows it is a foolish thing to do. That was why she said it earlier before she died. That no one should indulge in such foolishness for her sake. But no, my darling husband wants to play the gods. David, listen to me. If you do such, I promise you I will divorce you. Maybe by the time you're done splitting your wealth and everything you own to your name into two, then you can use your own parts of the money to do what? To embark in such foolish acts. Because I will not be a part to it.
You're not serious, are you?
Same way I'm asking you, sweetheart. Are you being serious right now?
Sir, the proposal for D&D company is ready. Sir, can you hear me? I said the proposal for D&D company is ready. Sir. Sir.
Mama is gone, you can see her again. No matter how long you fight, you can see Mama again.
I'm sorry, sir. Just that I was here over here. Let me take me talking to you.
Okay, tell me more.
I'm done with the proposal.
What proposal?
The D&D company.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Why do you want to destroy yourself? Enemies. Mama is gone, you can see her again. No matter how long you fight each other. Mama is gone. This is gone. Mama is gone.
So tell me, it's nice now. At least what I ordered, that's what I got. That's what I got. So how much is the hair?
600.
Onyori. See, your maid is still at night. You won't broad daylight stealing. Which one is 600? I beg, take your hair. I'm not buying it. Which one is 600,000 naira? I'm not buying it. If it's not 500, I'm not paying.
500 what?
500.
I hope it's $500.
Okay.
Okay. Because you're my friend. I don't understand this whole business. I don't know if they say lean on me is press me down. I'll give you 550 last. I'm not taking anything out of that money. 550.
Sharon. Sharon. See, if I want to press you down, I would have pressed you down long time ago. Say this at 500,000 naira now.
Did you put it in your tongue? 550 last.
Okay. Oh yeah, now take it to a shop,
man. 550.
Transfer for me. So who your dog is who you are trained? You are trained here on my body.
Do my transfer.
There is no problem. I will pay. I will transfer the 500k. Don't worry, let me transfer.
550.
Is there any other thing you know how to do other than spending money you do not know how and where it was made from?
Sister, from Mama, the one you're referring to.
Hey, I am talking to my shadow. Ejimam, I'm not here. You are the one I am talking to. I came here to look at you, eyeball to eyeball, woman to woman, so that we'll talk some senses into this your useless head. Look at you, you are here, spending money uselessly and foolishly on things that are useless. And then where is she? Yes, you do not want the real owners of that money to use it and do something useful. All in the name of marrying our first son. You don't want your husband to use our late father's hard-earned money to bring back his mother and give her a befitting burial. Where? But you are here, wanting to transfer 500,000 naira, taking a fifth area on a useless head. Are you not a stupid and useless wife? I'm asking you, are you not stupid?
Hey. Sister Ifoma, the reason I'm calling you sister is because I still have some respect inside of me. First and foremost, you bashed into my house. You came to my house without calling me on phone. You didn't even tell me you were coming. You just bashed into my house. Secondly, you came in, you did not greet anybody. You started shouting, now back and Kitalibu. What's all this now? Sister Ifoma, I will not have you come to my house and rain insult on me. You will not do it. You will not even try that nonsense with me. See, let me just beg you. Please, respect yourself. Respect yourself. Before I help you insult yourself, you know me.
Did I hear you say insult? As if I care. Which other insult will you give to me rather than the one you've already piled on my family? You don't want your husband to bring back my mother and bury her where? But see, let me tell you, I have come to warn you from today, henceforth, you will no longer use my brother as a remote or a toy all in the name of marriage. You don't want him to bury his mother. You are standing on top of money you do not know how it was made. Malande, this is the end of it. If you can waste money on hair, 500 useless hair, 550,000 Batalia,
hey! Sister Ifoma is in car for Wolagi. Ah! Officer can't try go. Ya Mrs. Yago, but I choke wogi. Sharon, do you have help 2 million in your shop?
Then we get 2.5.
Oh, 2.5. I will come and pay for it tomorrow. Okay. I will pay for it. Let the people that want to die, let them die. Let them choke. Look at this Saga Diakwenka. Look at this old fool. So instead of you to go out there and look for a man that will get married to you, so that you will sit down in your husband's house the way I am sitting in my own now, and then you dictate how to spend your husband's money. You want to come and tell me how to spend my own husband's money? Eh, what? Sister Ifoma, look at you. You want to sit back in your father's house. You You want to follow small children that you knew when their mother conceived them. You want to follow them and drag property, okay?
Happy you said it now, that they were conceived by a mother. The same woman you don't want your husband, that stupid husband, to bury the same woman that gave birth to him. The same woman, I don't blame you. I don't blame you. But this is the end of the road for you. This is the end. I will tell you that my name is Ifoma. Ada Dike. Ada Tantimata. You have not even conceived. Not to talk of giving birth to your own child. If you had had a child, you would have known the importance of spending a hard-earned money. But no, you don't know the value. That is why you will sit here and transfer 550,000 in our fish and more here.
All the way for some people. They will just come into people's house and begin to rain insult on them. Some people's audacity, all the tremendous.
All the very, very tremendous. Just take a look at her. Old cargo, Auntie Auntie
Is there any other thing you will add on top of the Auntie There is nothing more to add. Nothing more to add. But let me remind you, you have not even conceived. Neither have you given birth to a child. If you do not take care, you will soon join the league of the Auntie This is it, oh. I will not warn you again. You see this music, this dance that you have started, you will see who will get tired of it.
The Auntie
louder, my friend.
Auntie
Yeah?
Did I hear you talk? I don't blame you now. Follow. And when he passes it, all what you know how to do is go from home to home, deceiving jobless and useless housewives on spending their husband's money, hard-earned money that you do not know how it was gotten. You that is giving her hair 550,000. Can you bring out money and buy that hair and wear on this your useless head? You cannot do it. But you want her to give you 550,000 as you should. I don't even have your time. When I have your time, you will know. Judy, I've passed my message.
Inapuzi, where are you going to now? No, please come back now, don't go. Informer name what is good in here, she's answering informer, but there's no good thing in her life.
Sit down, leave her.
You know, you think car for one of this woman. This particular hair that I'm buying is burning her. It's burning her inside.
My girl, I am so proud of you. I mean, you did not let her ride her. You gave her back-to-back passports.
Oh, my girl. Why are you sounding as if you don't know me? No, she came here and then she looked at this place like their family house where she can dictate and give orders. She has forgotten this is my own husband's house. She will not even try that nonsense with me because if she tries it, you know who I am now.
I like the fact
I will give it.
I like the
cinema movie is what I will play for her.
Don't worry.
Rubbish.
I like the fact you gave her the taste of her own medicine.
Ada.
My girl, she's gone. My transfer.
Where did we even stop? 500,000.
Are you normal? 550. Is it because I know 600? Okay, 550.
Follow your sister-in-law.
Oh,
your sister.
Tell your sister-in-law to bring that wig on her head. It is overheating. We need to revamp it.
Dini, are you sure that hair can come back?
Auntie, why didn't you call me? No, you should have called me on the phone. You have no business talking with that riffraff. Riffraff that was brought from the village yesterday. You have no business talking with her. What you are supposed to do is to call me on the phone, tell me your location, and I will come there and deal with her decisively. Huh? Hi. God.
Oh, to imagine that a cook, that local fowl, was about to transfer 500,000 naira, taking a 15 area for common hair. Ordinary hair, 550,000 naira. On whose money?
On your father's money. On your father's money, our father's money, our father's wealth. I don't blame her. I do not blame her. I blame that my stupid brother called David that brought that girl from the village. Yes. Huh? You made a mistake. Why him not bad? He bumped that phone. You called me on the phone. I will come there. Come there and deal with her. Please send her out of the house. If I do, it's not going to happen.
Babe, you need to warn your sister. I know the reason I left her. She should not even try that thing with me. She should not even bring that leg. What is all this now? What is her business and how I spend my husband's money? No, why would she be the one to be detecting for me in my marriage? What kind of thing is that? She should go to her own husband's house and detect there. I don't like all these things. Come here, the car, because no. I don't really know you call her better. Come here, the car. I don't like it though. I don't want it. Ha! Okay.
Baby, if you can listen to me, let me release this money so that peace will reign. This is not the first time my sister has seen you, but it's not. She's acting this way because of the same issue, my mother's burial issue. Come on.
Wait, did I hear you? Did you just say release the money? Hey, David. See, I want you to listen to me, like listen and listen very well. There is no problem. You have to choose between me, your wife, and them. No, I don't have a problem. If you want to release that money to them, there is no problem. Go ahead and release it. Release the money so they can go and bring back a dead person. No, release the money to them. But I also want you to have this in the back of your mind. The moment you release that money to them, that will be the end of this marriage. Oh, believe me, I'm like, every word I just said now, I mean it, I'm not bluffing. And if you ever think that I'm going to come back to you, that will be over my dead body because it will not happen.
Just listen.
Listen to what? What am I listening to? That you want to release a huge amount of money? Is that what you want me to listen to? I will not listen to you, David. You should be the one to listen to me. Get on it. You see the same way you are putting so much energy and effort to convince me in this matter. That is the same way I am putting my own energy. Like right now you're seeing me. It is the same way I'm putting so much effort to convince you on this matter. What is all this? I'm trying to convince you too, so if you think that I am going to succumb for you, then you have another thing coming because it is not going to work. Never. Never, David, it's not possible. Excuse me. I'll see me release that is something million.
Mama is gone, you can see her again. You can see her again. No matter how long you fight, you can see Mama again. Mama is gone, you can see her again. No matter how long you fight, you can see Mama again. Two brothers fighting, this is dangerous. Lovely family has turned to enemies. Siblings fighting, this is dangerous. Lovely family has turned to enemies. Why do you want to kill yourself? This is dangerous. Why do you want to destroy yourself? Has turned to enemies.